How to analyze your competitors using AI. You probably know your competitors exist, but do you actually know what customers think of them? Where they're dropping the ball, how they're positioning themselves, and what space that leaves open for you? Most small business owners don't. AI changes that. Right now, with free or cheap tools you can open in your browser today, here's exactly how to do it. Start with clarity. You're competing with two types of businesses: direct competitors offering the same thing you offer to the same customers, and indirect competitors solving the same customer problem differently. A gym competes directly with the gym down the street, but indirectly with YouTube fitness channels. Open ChatGPT, free at chat.openai.com, and ask it to identify your most likely direct and indirect competitors and what they typically compete on: price, quality, convenience, or brand. This won't be perfect, but it sharpens your thinking and might surface competitors you'd never considered. Fair warning: ChatGPT has a knowledge cutoff date, so use it to sharpen thinking, not as a live data source. Decode their strategy. Copy text from a competitor's website, homepage, about page, taglines, service descriptions, and paste it into ChatGPT or Claude. Ask what customer pain points they're solving, what promises they're making, and what customer they're speaking to. This takes about 3 minutes and reveals their positioning. Do the same with social media. Copy their bio and recent post captions, then ask what tone and values they're projecting. You're building a picture of how they want to be seen, and that gap between their positioning and how customers actually see them, that's where your opportunity lives. Mine customer reviews. This is the most valuable step most people skip. Grab 20 to 30 reviews from a competitor's Google business profile, Yelp, or Trustpilot, and paste them into an AI tool. Ask it to identify what customers love, what they complain about, and patterns in what they wish was different. This used to require a paid consultant. Now it takes 5 minutes. Look especially for reviews mentioning switching from another provider. Phrases like, "I used to use so-and-so but switched because," are gold. AI can help you find and group these patterns quickly. Honest limitation. Review samples can be uneven. Some businesses have fake positive reviews. Unhappy customers tend to leave reviews at higher rates. Treat findings as signals, not hard statistics. Look for patterns across multiple reviews. Find search gaps. Use the free tier of Ubersuggest or SEMrush's 10 daily free searches to see what keywords send traffic to a competitor's website. Take that keyword list to ChatGPT and ask what topics their target customer cares about and whether there are obvious gaps, things customers would want to know that competitors aren't covering. An accounting firm might discover their competitor ranks well for small business payroll, but has nothing on tax deductions for freelancers. That's a gap. Write about it, and you're suddenly visible to customers the competitor isn't reaching. Honest limitation. SEMrush's paid version costs $140 per month. Use their free trial for one focused research session and document everything. The payoff. When you know where competitors are strong and where they're falling short, you stop competing on their terms and start carving out your own. You move from guessing to clarity. Start with ChatGPT today. Pick one competitor and work through these steps. You'll have a clearer picture of your competitive landscape in under an hour and real material to build your strategy on.